Hello friends, welcome to my lab. In previous video, I have shown the calculation of energy charge, the fixed charge, government subsidy, the meter rent, MBCA charge and the gross amount. And it was 1864 rupees 20 paisa. In this video, I will show you the calculation of monthly rebate, that is 7 rupees 12 paisa per month, the special rebates, and the calculation of the amount payable at a time through e-payment. You can get the previous video links in description. If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on. So you can see this is the internet copy of the bill. First of all, let's discuss about the per month bill calculation. Here you can see I have discussed these full details of the quarterly electricity charge, and the gross amount was calculated 1864 rupees 20 paisa, including the meter rent and the MBCA charge and subtracting the government subsidy. This was the bill for 3 months. That means per month bill will be gross amount for 3 months divided by 3, that is 621 rupees 40 paisa, and rounded off to 622 rupees. In the bill you can see the bill amount for February is 622 rupees, for March and April it's also 622 rupees. That means total gross amount is divided by 3 and the 622 rupees is formed, and this 622 rupees you have to pay after due dates. For February the due date is 2nd February, for March it is 4th March, and for April it's 5th April. Basically the due date is a particular date of a month after which date you cannot get the rebate on your bill amount, or you can say this is the last date of a month after which you cannot get the rebate and you have to pay an extra charge as a late fine. To find out the rebate details, you can visit this PDF I have uploaded. You can get the link in description. Now you can see the load factor rebate or surcharge section and follow the point number 5. It states that for all consumers, excluding consumers having prepaid meters, rebate shall be given at 1% of the amount of the bill excluding meter rent, taxes, duties, levies and arrear, not being the arrears due to the revision of tariff if the payment is made within the due date. That means you can get 1% discount or rebate on your total bill amount excluding the meter rent, taxes or other duties applied on your bill. In our bill, you can see the due date mentioned. These dates are the last date to avail the 1% discount on your energy consumption. Here you can see we have calculated in previous video the different cost and government subsidies, but as per the clause mentioned, for getting 1% rebate on the energy consumption, we have to exclude the meter rent and government subsidy, and excluding that the summation of these is 2137 rupees 62 paisa, and as per the rebate scheme we will get 1% rebate on this, that is 21 rupees 37 paisa, and this rebate of 21 rupees 37 paisa is to be divided in 3 months, that is 7 rupees 1233 paisa. That means for February you will get 7 rupees 12 paisa, for March it is 7 rupees 12 paisa, and for April it's 7 rupees 13 paisa less on your per month bill, which means if you pay your per month bill before due date or within due date, you will get 1% rebate. That means your total amount will be 615 rupees after rounded off. Now here you can see in the tariff order, please focus on the point number 7. It states that in order to encourage one-time payment for 3-month bill, a special rebate of 10 paisa per unit for 2017 and 18 on energy charge shall be given to domestic and commercial consumers under LV and MV category covered by quarterly billing cycle under normal or normal TOD tariff scheme if the payment is made for the quarter at a time within the due dates stipulated for the first month of the quarter. That means you can get 10 paisa per kilowatt hour rebate on full payment of 3 months bill at a time before your first month's due date. That means if you are paying the total bills of February, March and April on or before the first due date, that is 2nd February 2021 at a time, you can get 10 paisa per kilowatt hour extra discount on your total bill amount. In our case, the special rebate on 324 unit will be 32 rupees 40 paisa, and after applying the rebate, the payable amount will be 1812 rupees and 60 paisa, and after rounded off it will be 1811 rupees. And here you can see the special rebate is mentioned here as 32 rupees 40 paisa, and total amount payable at time within first due date is 1811 rupees. And this is the amount you have to pay when you are paying offline bill at customer care center. But still now you can get an extra discount of 1% on this total bill amount if you are paying this 3 months bill before due date via online method or internet banking. In the point number 9, it states that the addition of 1% rebate as mentioned in paragraph 8 above shall also be admissible if the payment of energy bill is made within the due date through valued card, wallet system or USSD or InstaPay of banks or online payments through any mobile software application. This rebate shall be given after giving effect to rebate mentioned in paragraph 4, 5, 6, 7 above. And after applying this rebate on payable amount at a time through e-payment before first month's due date, and it will be 1790 rupees after rounded off. In the bill you can see the amount is mentioned here, that is payable at a time through e-payment within first due date is 1790 rupees. Here you can see the different payment option is given here, so you can choose whatever you want. From this video series, we conclude that the most economic price will be 1790 rupees when we pay the quarterly bill before first month's due date through online method. This was the last video on this topic. Please let me know your thoughts on this video series in the comment section. Till then, stay tuned with us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.